Hi everyone, this is just a quick tutorial video of how you can sort some of the data that you have once you are able to change and download your Google or your FlexTime data into an Excel spreadsheet and then open that into Google Sheets. Once it's in Google Sheets, you can start to play around with some of the data and look and analyze what's kind of happening. So one of the first things I like to do is I like to go up here and click above 1 and to the left of column A and highlight everything on the page. Then I go to Data, Sort Range, and I want to sort, and it does have a header row. The header row means the first column are titles of those columns. So I'm going to click on that one, and I want to go Date, and I want to go the newest to the oldest and see if this works here. Oh. So when I did that, it sorted it from 9/11, the very first thing that this student had in their FlexTime schedule on 9/11. Well, I want to see more recent, right? So I'm going to go back to Data, Sort Range. My range has a header row, and I want to go Z to A the other way, and I want to sort it, and I can see that this happened here yesterday, 1/17, which is actually today what this person signed up for. It looks like this person signed up for the pool. It shows that they're locked in for that option. Okay, so from there I still have everything highlighted. There's an option that I can do to start to filter some of these things. So maybe one thing I want to do is I want to expand a column. If I hover between C and D here, I can expand this column, and now it will show me more of what's going on from the schedule set to the category, to the pool, to the title of the offering, to any comments that were written. But from here I can either push this little filter, or I can go up to Data, Create Filter. When I create a filter, I see that these little triangles are set. Okay, a filter can hide different things that happen within the Excel document. So if I want to see all the times that I've been locked in and what are the classes and the titles that I've been locked in for, I can go to here and I can push, I only want to see the blanks that are checked and only the true ones. And now I can see which ones I've been locked in and how many. If I go back to that, I can select all, and that takes me back to where I started. If I want to go to my schedule set, and I only want to see, I'm going to push clear here, and I only want to see my Learning ePass, how often I've used Learning ePass. This particular student has only been to the hub one time with Learning ePass, and that was on January 11th. If I go back and I want to see, again, I click that little triangle, I push clear, and I just want to see Break ePass. Here this particular learner has been using Break ePass, which again, thank you for using it. Anytime you leave your classroom, teacher, it is expected you will use Break ePass. You can see that. If I want to push clear and I only want to see my win time selections, this particular learner is in 8th grade, so 8th grade and Thursday, here's my options. If I want to look at the breakdown of where I'm spending my time on win times, I can push D at the top here. And I can go to Insert, and I can do a chart. This will insert a chart for me. Notice on the right-hand side that it says Aggregate Column D. It says count up what's in Column D, and row 1 is a header. It's a title. Okay? So this particular learner has used his win times for 34 enrichments, 7 times to language arts. If I don't like the bar graph, I can go over here and I can click on and I can change it to a pie chart. Okay? I can start to see how I've spent my time in win times. Okay? So that's just an option for you as you start to analyze your data and what does it say about you as a learner and how you're using your time here at school. All right? Thank you. If you have any questions, you're welcome to ask your advisor or come down and see Mr. Thompson. I love talking through some of these things. Thanks.